back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is prime our face. I always use 3 primers to prime my face. I find this like the best way to put my makeup on and to have a nice layer before the makeup gets on my skin. And right now, and now for my brows, I always love brushing my brows before I do them. I think this is a great way to put them in the direction that I want them to go in. And then I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Granite. And I'm just going to follow my natural brow lines and just make them like more. And then I'm going to take concealer and just clean up those edges. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with that concealer and just cover up my eyes and prime them, as well as go underneath my eyes and take any dark circles and contour my nose and the sides of my mouth and my chin and everything that I just kind of want to conceal. And now taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation, I'm just going to go in the places where I didn't put the concealer and just blend that all into my face. Oh, and this shade is in Chestnut. Okay, now using my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to go in with a love letter all over my lid, but mostly as my transition shade. Okay, now I'm going to take the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Nuts About You, like all over my lid and on the outer corners of my eyes as well. And now using the MAC Paints eyeshadow in this really pretty pearly color, I'm going to be making it a half cut crease and not going all the way cut crease, just kind of stopping it in the middle. And now going back in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm going to be using Red Orc. I think that's how you say it. And I'm going to take it on the outer corners of my eyes to blend the MAC shadow a little bit more. And now I'm going to be taking my eyeliner from e.l.f. and Smashbox Cosmetics mascara just to define my eyes. for the looks, I'm going to be taking Crucifix by Kat Von D and Namaste by Tarte, mixing it to make a pretty lip combo. Now for highlighter, I'm actually going to be taking my peanut butter and jelly palette and be using the eyeshadow shade Banana as my highlighter. I just like how Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.